Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Little Flowers. Hope you all be fine at home and enjoying the winter. But along with the enjoyment, the studies must go on. So that's why we have planned this online classes and concerning the literature, as far as literature is concerned, we have read Unit 6, which was based on the children, which was based on various aspects of children life, how children are treated from the society and what are the drawbacks in the upbringing of a child, how we are going to shape the child's career, future, so that the child may easily survive in the society. And now we are going to start Unit 7. Unit 7. What is Unit 7? Unit 7, see, open page number 164. Open page number 164. Unit 7, The Great India. See, The Great India. The Great India. Unit 7, The Great India is there. Now, in Unit 7, various aspects of India is talked. How India is presented in the world. What are the good things which India is having. Why India is called as the great country in the world. These are things we are going to see in this chapter. As you have done the book reading, now after book reading, the explanation of chapter will be done by me. So it's my request to you all that please keep the book, pencil in your hand, and so that when I will try to explain the chapter word by word, it will be easier for you. I will write the tough meanings here and you will note down the meaning, or you will underline the word with pencil and try to write the meaning. So students, we are going to start the chapter. The Great India. India was the mother of our race and Sanskrit. See, concerning India, now here India is treated as a person. Now this is called, India was the mother of our race and Sanskrit, means Sanskrit language was the language of ancient India. So this language was very important, and the race of India means the caste of India, Aryans. These were very important. The mother of European languages means Sanskrit is called as the mother of all European languages. She was the mother of our philosophy, mother through the Arabs. Of much of our mathematics, mother of mathematics also. See, Ramanujan. Ramanujan. He is very important character of India, who developed really discovered the zero, which is very important number in mathematics. So that's why mathematics mother is also called India. Mother through Buddha. Lord Buddha, obviously Lord Buddha was associated with India. That's why. Now of the ideals embodied in Christianity, mother through village communities of self-government and democracy. India is the largest democracy in the world, we all know. Self-government is the government of the people, for the people, by the people in democracy. Mother India is in many ways the mother of us all. This statement was given by Will Durant. Who is Will Durant? He was an American writer, and he just gave this statement in Indian perspective. That's why. Now imagine that you are Shera, the official mascot of Commonwealth Games 2010. Shera, mascot. See, Shera, official mascot. See, mascot, official mascot of Commonwealth Games 2010. When these games were held, Commonwealth Games 2010, that were held in New Delhi. So there was a mascot, a special feature, or you can say sign, Shera. Now, many tourists from all over the world have come to India for the games. Many tourists came to India for games. This was also true. You have to give them a taste of India and show them around. Here are few things that set India apart. Now see here. See here, Shera. Shera is the mascot of Commonwealth Games 2010. Okay. Now we will see the faces of India that you would want to introduce to India, suggest metro rail. That will be introduced in India. Yes, it will be introduced in India. Metro rail. Metro rail. Everybody wants to introduce to the foreigners that in India we are having metro rails like DMRC, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, LMRC, Lucknow Metro Rail Corporation. Various types of metro rail services are prevailing in India. At some places, these services are jointly undergoing on a platform from few nations like Japan and France. Although our Indian engineers are good, but they are having training from various countries, this type of countries. Now, second one is Taj Mahal. Everybody is going to show Taj Mahal because the 7 wonders of world, Taj Mahal is coming. That's why Taj Mahal is to be shown. Qutub Minar, Gateway of India. So, all things shown here are prominent things of India. If somebody is coming in India, we are just going to show the prominent things here. Now, we shall move forward. The genius who rocked. See the chapter, page number 165. The genius who rocked. Now, what is the name of chapter? The genius who rocked. The genius who rocked. See here, genius. Genius means wise man. Wise. And rocked. Rocked was a prominent character. Prominent character. Prominent character means main character, or shocked, completely shocked. Everything was surprised. Every person was surprised. Now we will see. Waste is not always useless or to be thrown away. We are just going to use the waste. Waste is there, but it is not always a waste. Not always to be thrown away. Now read about this genius who transformed waste material into an unimaginable form. He truly created a masterpiece, making the best out of waste. Have you ever thought of that, making the best out of waste? Do you watch Pogo cartoon channel? Does the big picture, there was a ring a bell in your head? Yes, heart attack, MAD are programs that show how much we can do with things we dump and consider useless. That means what we can do from the things which we generally consider the dumb or useless. What we can do with that things. This we will see. Now there is one such big picture in our country India, and the good news is that it isn't a temporary piece of art, but it is here to stay. Its fame has reached far and wide. Means far and wide. The fame has reached far and wide. Publicity has reached far and wide, and it is a great source of inspiration. This story is a great source of inspiration. Why we are inspired by a story? This is the question. Why we are inspired by a certain story? Because when that story is good, when that story is good, that story gives a message. That story gives a message. Then we are inspired by a story. Now, that's what you realize when you visit Nek Chand's Rock Garden in Chandigarh. See, the important part is Nek Chand Garden. Where it is situated? It is situated in Chandigarh. Nek Chand's garden is situated in Chandigarh. Where it is situated? It is situated Nek Chand Rock Garden. What is the name? Nek Chand Rock Garden. It is situated in Chandigarh. Underline it. Nek Chand's Rock Garden in Chandigarh. You will be surprised to see the variety of waste objects that have been put to use to make marvelous objects. That means marvelous means good. See here, marvelous is spelling super objects. Marvelous spelling means super objects. Now look carefully as you walk. Every nook and corner has a special creation waiting for you to discover it. There is a special creation at every corner. You will be surprised to see it. A special type of creation is waiting at every corner. Whenever you go to that place, Nek Chand Rock Garden, Chandigarh, you will be surprised to see various types of scriptures, and they are all made up of waste materials. Now look carefully as you walk. Every nook and corner has a special creation waiting for you to discover it. Sculptures made up of broken bangles, means the bangles which generally women wear. Broken bangles, they are made up of broken bangles, plugs, gravel, broken tiles and other unimaginable waste materials, means waste from the home. They are generally made from waste from the home. You have to visit the place to experience its beauty. What you have to do? You have to visit the place to experience its beauty. Now, Nek Chand's journey on the road to best out of waste. Now we will see the journey of Nek Chand. How Nek Chand started his career. One day, over 53 years ago, Nek Chand, a humble transport official in North Indian city of Chandigarh. What was Nek Chand? Transport official. Humble in nature. Began to clear a little patch of jungle, means little part of jungle, to make himself a small garden area. He was making a small garden area. He set stones around the little area cleared. Little area he tried to clear. He set all the stones around. And before long had sculpted a few figures recycled from materials he found at hand. He sculpted, means he created. See, one word is written, sculpted. That means created a few figures recycled from materials. Recycled means to have recycled means to have treated. The word is recycled. Means treated to be in order to be used again. To be used again. Recycled means treated to be used again. When we are going to use anything again and again, that process is called recycling. That process is called recycling. Now, see, gradually, Naik Chand's creation developed and grew. Before long, it covered several acres and comprised hundreds of sculptures set in a series of interlinking courtyards. Now, after his normal working means after his normal work, Chand worked at night. Whenever he got time, at night only he worked in total secrecy for fear of being discovered by authorities. Means authority is not going to stop Naik Chand that you cannot do this duty. There was fear of authority because in daytime he devoted his time to the job which he was doing. So at the night only he was having his personal time. At that time he was doing this job. Means he was just creating a new thing from the waste. Now what happened? When they discovered Chand's garden, local government officials said that it was completely illegal. What word is it? Illegal. Means not under law. Means beyond the law. When a thing is beyond law, that is called illegal. Government officials found that and said that your garden is completely illegal. As it was a development in a forbidden area. Forbidden means stopped. Forbidden. See here, forbidden is written. Forbidden means stopped. See, forbidden. Forbidden means stopped, blocked, and so should be demolished. See one word, demolished. Demolished means demolished. See, demolished means completely vanish it or go away with, just destroy it. Demolished. The outcome, however, was the decision to give Naik Chand a salary so that he could concentrate full time on his work. Means devote full time on his work. Plus have a workforce of 50 laborers. Means along with Naik Chand, 50 men were deployed to help Naik Chand to create a new thing from waste materials. Naik Chand's great work received immediate recognition and was inaugurated as the Rock Garden of Chandigarh. Means, see, the most important thing, now the most important thing came. Naik Chand's Rock Garden was considered, see, Naik Chand's Rock Garden was the most prominent thing, became the most prominent thing of Chandigarh. Chandigarh, people from various places started coming to this garden. See, whenever we are going to start any work, we have too many opponents. जब भी हम कोई नया काम शुरू करते हैं, सारी तरफ से हमारी आलोचना होती है, सारी तरफ से हमारी शिकायतें होती हैं, आपने यह काम क्यों शुरू किया, आपने वो काम क्यों शुरू किया। इसकी परवाह न करते हुए अगर हम कोई कार्य को मन से, लगन से और अपनी मनोवृत्ति को स्थायी रखते हुए, स्थायी भाव से अगर हम कोई कार्य करते हैं तो उस कार्य में हमें सफलता निश्चित मिलती है और उस कार्य में हमारा सहयोग ईश्वर करता है, इसका एक प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण है नेकचंद, जिन्होंने चंडीगढ़ जैसे छोटे से स्थान पर एक नौकरी पे थे। वो उस नौकरी पर होते हुए उन्होंने रात में समय निकाला और रात में जो ऐसी वस्तुएं थीं जो लोग फेंक दिया करते थे, मतलब जो कूड़ा होता था, उससे वो इकट्ठा करके उन्होंने उसका सदुपयोग करने का ठाना और उसका सदुपयोग वो रात में करते थे कलाकृतियों के निर्माण में। रात में क्यों? क्योंकि वो इसको पूरी तरह से गैर कानूनी मानते थे कि कहीं कोई सरकारी आदमी आके उनको पकड़ न ले और उनकी इस क्रियाकलाप को गैर कानूनी ठहराते हुए कहीं पूरी तरह से अवैध न कर दे। बाद में क्या हुआ, उनके इस कार्य को सरकारी अफसरों ने, सरकारी अधिकारियों ने देखा और उसको नेकचंद रॉक गार्डन नाम दिया उस जगह को, उस गार्डन को चंडीगढ़ में, और चंडीगढ़ की वह शान बन गया। अब देखिए, ये होती है किसी भी कार्य को, जब किसी भी whenever you are going to start any work, the initial step is very important. If you are just trying to take the initial step, everybody is opposing you. But when that work is finished, when that work is accomplished, when that work is applauded by the society, that creates a total empire. That makes you the prince of that empire. And if you are considered as a prince, automatically you are recognized in the society. Automatically you are recognized in the society. Now in over 25 acres of with several thousand sculptures set in large mosaic courtyards. Now we will have the next description in our next class. I hope that till now you have understood this story. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay at home. Goodbye.